The Enneagram is a personality typing system that is quite unique. Rather than labeling you or putting you in a box, the Enneagram illuminates the patterned thinking we've developed over our lifetime and helps us find a way out. We all develop mental shortcuts, quick ways to evaluate the world and problem solve. And this isn't a bad thing, but when we default to these patterns time after time, it can keep us from more creative and innovative problem solving. At Lumenalta, we value creativity and innovative problem solving. It's part of the magic we offer to our clients. So what if, by learning about our default patterns and strategies, we could expand beyond them? We could truly find ways to thrive and bring even more of our unique genius into every team and project we find ourselves a part of. The feedback I've received from those who have completed this training have been overwhelmingly positive and at times even deeply emotional and transformative. And it's a gift to everyone you live and work with as well.